So today we are doing a deep red lip using only a dark brown makeup pencil and your SO lipstick in the shade Cruella. Now before we get started, this makeup look is actually the same one that I used in the other video for the natural look tutorial. This is the look. The only difference is I added eyeliner because this is what I call a buildable look. You can go from day to evening by simply adding eyeliner, a different shade lipstick, etc. So this is the natural look from the other video. And now we're completely done with that look, obviously, and we're just gonna do the last little finishing touch, which is your lip. So to get started, you hold it sideways because if you go straight in, you're gonna make really sharp lines. And for this look, you kind of want it to have an ombre type effect. So you're gonna go in and just draw it in. And you see how that looks? It's not just a sharp line. I'm sorry, I can't really talk and do this at the same time, but follow the natural line of your lip. Just so you don't look like you have like a black ring around your mouth. And you're gonna do the bottom. And like I said, you're using the side of the pencil, and then you're gonna mash it together just so you can create that faded look. Now for me, this is where I want to stop. If you want it deeper, you can keep adding on, make it a little darker on the outside, shade it more on the inside. But for me, this is where I'm going to stop because I like it like this. And now you're going to take your lipstick and you're going to apply it. Now, the trick with this is you're going to build on your red. So you just start. Now, I always kind of make sure I get that little inner part right there. So when I talk or when I move my mouth a certain way, you don't see a lot of pink. And there we have our deep red lip. Okay, so once you do your red, your look is basically finished. But if you are slightly OCD or you just really like a really crisp cut red look, you just take your foundation, get a little flat brush, and you just clean it up. And the tip is to just be really, really careful when putting foundation around your mouth with the red lip, because you don't want to see it on the brush, and then you don't want to drag it around your mouth, and then you'll create a red ring around your mouth. So I bring it close enough and I just drag it around. And now you are completely done with your red lip.